Hey there, welcome back to Holy Grail FX Academy. Today, we've got something special in store. How to develop a solid trading plan for big gains in Forex as a beginner is our topic today. If you're new, hit subscribe and let's dive right in. Developing a solid trading plan is crucial for achieving success in Forex trading, especially as a beginner. A well-thought-out plan can help you manage risk, stay disciplined, and increase your chances of making profitable trades. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a solid trading plan for big gains in Forex. 1. Educate yourself. Start by learning the basics of Forex trading. Understand key concepts like currency pairs, pips, lots, leverage, and market analysis methods, fundamental and technical analysis. Educate yourself through online courses, books, tutorials, and reputable trading forums. 2. Set clear goals. Define your trading goals. Are you looking for consistent small gains or larger gains with higher risk? Set realistic expectations about how much time and capital you can commit to trading. 3. Choose a trading style. Decide on a trading style that suits your personality and schedule. There are different styles like day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Each style requires a different approach to analysis and risk management. 4. Risk management. This is one of the most critical aspects of trading. Decide how much of your capital you're willing to risk on each trade. A common rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1–2% of your trading capital on a single trade. 5. Trade size and leverage. Determine your trade size based on your risk tolerance and the size of your trading account. Leverage can amplify both gains and losses, so use it cautiously and avoid over-leveraging. 6. Select a trading strategy. Choose a trading strategy that aligns with your trading style. This could involve technical analysis, using charts and indicators, or fundamental analysis, monitoring economic news and events. Develop a strategy that provides clear entry and exit signals. 7. Backtest your strategy. Before applying your strategy in real trading, backtest it on historical data. This helps you understand how the strategy would have performed in the past and provides insights into its strengths and weaknesses. 8. Demo trading. Practice your strategy on a demo account to gain practical experience without risking real money. This is a crucial step to refine your strategy and understand how it performs in real-time market conditions. 9. Trading journal. Maintain a detailed trading journal where you record every trade you make. Include entry and exit points, reasons for the trade, results, and emotions. This journal will help you analyze your trading performance and identify areas for improvement. 10. Stay disciplined. Emotional discipline is key to successful trading. Stick to your trading plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and don't let emotions dictate your actions. If a trade doesn't meet your criteria, don't force it. 11. Continuous learning and adaptation. The Forex market is dynamic and ever-changing. Stay updated with market news, economic events, and new trading techniques. Adapt your trading plan as needed based on changing market conditions and your own experiences. 12. Risk to reward ratio. Aim for a favorable risk to reward ratio on each trade. This means that your potential profit should be significantly greater than your potential loss. A common ratio is 2–1 or higher. Remember that Forex trading involves a degree of risk, and there are no guarantees of profit. Be patient, disciplined, and focus on long-term success rather than short-term gains. It's also a good idea to consult with experienced traders or financial professionals for guidance as you develop your trading plan. Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and found value in it, we kindly request your support. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who might benefit from it, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on various economic topics, ensuring you never miss out on valuable insights. Your support means the world to us, and it encourages us to continue creating high-quality content. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.
You can watch the video showing on your screen right now to learn how you can create real-life mockups for your designs with Canva. See you there.